All right, so that was 2 blocks of softened cream cheese, 1/4 a cup of pure maple syrup, and 1/2 a cup of light brown sugar. And we are just blending this together until it is nice and smooth. This is gonna be a super easy, super delicious, no-bake dessert that I think everyone will love. It's great for summer, it's great for fall. It is my transitional dessert that I love to make during this season. Looks extra creamy, extra rich. Let's make sure to get all of that off of our hand mixer, and then we can put this to the side. We don't need it anymore. All right, now for our secret ingredient, I have some pecan pieces, and we're gonna add about 1 cup, so half of this bag right in there. I might have went a little heavy-handed, but that's not gonna be an issue. And we're just gonna kind of fold those in. Look how rich and delicious this looks. Oh my goodness, I cannot wait to try this. This is such a great dessert for a potluck, for Sunday church, for, you know, a barbecue, for Thanksgiving. It literally is so versatile, and that's why I love making it. Okay, those look like they are mixed in enough. Now we're gonna grab our Cool Whip. This is 8 ounces. You can make homemade whipped cream if you prefer, but I am not picky in that way. So we're gonna add our 8 ounces of Cool Whip right into our pecan mixture to make this extra creamy, extra delicious, extra sweet, which is what we want. So just like with the pecans, we are just gonna fold that in because we don't wanna lose that fluffiness of our Cool Whip. I did let this thaw, but it probably should have thawed for a little bit longer, but you know what? We're gonna make it work. Oh, it smells so good.
Oh my goodness, it looks amazing.
It's gonna be incredible. All right, this looks beautifully mixed together. We're gonna put this to the side and bring in our 9-inch graham cracker crust. You can make your own, but you know, I like this to be super easy. Anyone can make it. I also want to keep it no bake, and we're gonna add our whole mixture into our delicious pie crust. Graham crackers with pecans, those two just go together so perfectly, and this smells so incredible. Oh my goodness.
I'm so excited to give this a try. Wow.
Oh yeah, it's gonna be so good. And look how tall it's gonna be. You could probably get the 10-inch pie crust if you really wanted to, but I want this to be a showstopper. Should get all of that out. Now we're just gonna start flattening that down so it gets, you know, from edge to edge. I cannot wait to dig into this. We do need to let it chill for a little bit, but let's just make this look pretty before we pop it in the fridge so that it looks as good as it tastes. Right, babe?
Oh yeah, I'm excited.
All right, that looks beautiful. The only thing that'll make it look better is a little bit more pecan pieces sprinkled on top, just so everyone knows what it is. This is obviously optional as well. You could just do some whipped cream with it, or, you know, some sprinkles, a little bit of sea salt. But, you know, people need to know what they're getting into, right?
Yeah, that's what I was about to say, actually.
All right, I think that looks great. Now this is gonna go in the fridge for about 4 hours. All right. I am so excited to dig into this. Best part of my day. All right, let's make sure that we can get a beautiful slice. Woo-hoo, look at the inside of that. That looks incredible. She is a thick pie. All right, time to dig in. I'm so excited.
It's good, huh?
I could eat this whole pie all to myself. You guys gotta try it.